Here I have XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on three stripes here, and this second row is timer. You can set it on 3 seconds, 5 seconds or even 10. So let's set it on 3 and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer works just perfectly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.